Hello. Today I want to show you some very amazing features on Binance. Binance is a crypto exchange where you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency, but these days it goes beyond just buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. With Binance, you can buy crypto with your fiat. You can pay with different currencies. We have there are different options for you. You can do bank deposits. You can buy with your credit or debit card, that's a Visa or Mastercard, and you can do P2P trading, and you can do cash. You can buy crypto with your great British pound balance, or you can go through a third party payment using Simplex, Coinal, Banxa. So now, of course, there are different markets where you can trade your coins, and you can trade using the very easiest way to trade. Just convert from one token to another, one coin to another. You can use a classic interface, simple and easy to use interface, and then can have the whole full trading tools using the advanced interface. And then you can also trade margin by increasing your profits with leverage. Then there's P2P, peer-to-peer buying and selling of cryptos. Then there's the derivatives. There's your USD futures, with or without expiration, up to 125x leverage. Of course, remember that the higher your leverage, the higher your risk. So there's also coin M futures, whereby token margin features with or without expiry date, and you can use up to 125x leverage. 125x leverage. So you can buy. This vanilla option is very new, a new option whereby you can buy and sell European style vanilla options. You can enjoy leverage tokens without the risk of getting liquidated. And then you can battle to win long versus short. So these are like new, this other vanilla option and battle to win is new features on Binance. So we look at the finance section, whereby there's Binance Earn, there's Binance Pool, there's Binance Visa Card, there's crypto loans, and there's liquid swap. With Binance Earn, this opportunity for you to save in crypto, and you earn lots of percentages. Then the Binance Pool, you earn more rewards. You mine. The more you connect to a particular pool, and then you earn rewards. Binance Visa Card, you can convert and pay with crypto anywhere in the world. And there's crypto loans. You can get instant loan by crypto assets and liquid swap. So I want to show you this whole the finance session of Binance. So how you can earn more with Binance. So we're in the Binance Earn session now. So one-stop investment solution. So there's flexible savings, there's launch pool, and there's BNB Vault. With the flexible solutions, you can all you have to do is save these tokens here, these coins here. We have 1 inch or BTC, BUSD, RUB, and there is more for you. So the flexible session, fixed item, easy to deposit and earn. In the you can stake. This is the flexible means. Flexible means you can stake anytime. Why fixed means you have a particular number of days. You can deposit your USDT and earn rewards for 17, 14, 30 days, 90 days. BUSD, same thing. And now look at flexible savings. These are tokens you can do for flexible savings. There are over 56 extra savings products. So you can save 1 inch BTC, and then you earn these percentages down here. So the interest you earn per thousand, if you save 1 inch per thousand, you earn 0.178 inch and all that. So every information is here for you. So you can make more instead of your token line idle. You can keep them here, and they'll be accruing interest for you. Then there's lock savings. You can lock your savings for a particular time and then pull it out at the end of those 7 days. There's 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 90 days, depending on how long you want to lock your savings. So now these are other tokens, they are still on. Bell, Upper, Dusk, EGLD. So DOT has ended already. So let's look at launch pool. Under the launch pool, you can stake, like now, you can stake, you can earn 3% annualized income of Bitcoin standard hash rate token BTC ST. You can stake it and then you can earn. You can stake this two and earn this annualized income. You can earn stake here. Launch pool has to do with new coins and how you can earn from new coins. Now you can do DeFi staking, easy stake, easy earn. You can do dual investment. You can subscribe to dual investment, whereby you have, wow, amazing, 2 asset yielding aggregator, whereby you earn from 2 assets. So you can subscribe to any of this amazing percentages. So there are lots of options for you to earn here on Binance. Then liquid swap, you can add liquidity and then earn these APYs on the liquidity. Just you add BUSD plus USDT, you get earn this BUSD plus that, you earn this USDT plus that, you earn this USDC plus USDT, you earn this. So now let's look at BNB Vault. You can stake this and get rewarded in BNB. This is Atletico Madrid, so that football token, BNB, BTCST, and then you earn from those ones. So these are flexible terms, fixed terms, and then of course high risk products. So let's look at Binance Pool, for example. So you can, instead of these are things that help you earn. You don't want to trade, you don't risk your funds in trading. Instead of your coins being idle, you can do this. So in the Binance Pool part, this is proof of work, Binance Pool, and so with the Binance Pool, it's secure, transparent, and then steady earnings. So you can, instead of avoiding, you can avoid the fluctuations of earnings that comes with buying and selling normally, and enjoying steady earnings with the Binance Pool. So this is a coin, active workers, hash rate, network, and all. So let's look at you can create a mining account, you join pools, you can join pools, you can join pools, and you enjoy zero pool fee for the first month. So pool savings, so you have to sign up for the mining pool, so you earn by joining pool. So pool savings is a wealth management service dedicated to improving the income of participating miners. Miners can deposit their mine coins directly into pool savings to boost their income. So you join pools and then you earn from the mining. Next one is let's look at liquid swap. So just like you can add liquidity, you can choose your pool, just like how it works on decentralized exchange like Uniswap. Just like how it works on Uniswap, for example, you add or other decentralized exchange, you can add liquidity and you earn from the liquidity you added, and then you can add at least $10 worth of USDT and equivalent BUSD, and add USDT, and you add BUSD. After adding, minimum of this thing, then you earn money from the fees accrued to that particular liquidity pool. So these are stable pools you can join. The stable pools you can join. So you can get crypto loans too. You can get crypto loans too from Binance. You can borrow, let's just say, um, you can borrow 1,000. You can borrow for this loan period. If you pay early, you will not pay any interest penalty. Annual interest is 18%. You see, borrowing from crypto is like it's cheaper than go to your normal microfinance bank to borrow and all that. So you can get loans from your crypto and all that. So the different features here. Binance has different products: Binance Exchange, the Academy, the Broker, Charity, Cloud, X, Labs, Launchpad, Research, and Trust Wallet for storing your tokens. So that's that. So make sure you take advantage of every feature on Binance Token, and everything is available on your mobile app. You can access all these things on your mobile app. Don't just buy and sell. If you're going to lose money from buying and selling, you can stake your coins, so them being idle, and then you can add liquidity and all that. Thank you.